I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation. This is a look at the TrueDelve Heavy Duty Vinyl Tablecloth. So this is a really nice outdoor tablecloth. You can see I've got it on my table on my balcony outside here. And you can get it in many different sizes. So this covers a table that's probably, I think, about 6 feet long and about 3 feet wide. But you can dial this into different shapes, round shapes, rectangles. This is a circular, semicircular table, and it works fine on that. And get a little bit of overhang here. And this is made out of a really good, high-quality vinyl material. So it holds up well, I've found, to being outdoors, which is obviously important. Rain, that kind of thing. It's nicely waterproof. It provides good coverage on the table. It's definitely thick enough that it feels like something that's not a one-time use. You know, you can tell it's something you'd have outside for a longer time period. But it's easy to clean it off, which is a great thing with the vinyl, and it will hold up really well to weather over time. And you know, if you get a cloth tablecloth, then as it gets wet, you have to wait for it to dry. I find that they can start to tear as they get wet over time, and I think this is a good option because it does have that durability. It's definitely a thicker vinyl than something just really basic, so again, I think it works really well for the longer term. The other thing I like about it is that you can choose multiple colors and patterns. So I like this blue kind of bird color. It coordinates nicely with the blue that I've got here and fits with just the natural setting out here. But again, depending on what you like, you can choose all different styles for this. And I think it makes it a nice kind of tied together space out here to have a little bit more visual styling. You can see the table underneath it is just a very basic kind of metal, like a wrought surface. So this isn't as good to eat on. This makes it a really nice outdoor eating space to have a barbecue outside, or even just to sit and work out here in this nice, beautiful outdoor setting.